How to manage vehicle renewal details. To manage vehicle renewal details, click Transportation, click Vehicle Maintenance, click Renewals. Enter the required details. For example, select a vehicle code. Select Renew. Select an interval type. Select an interval. Enter reminder before. Enter the remarks if any. Select an SMS group. Enter the renewal date. Enter the renewed date. Enter the amount. Click the green plus button. Click Save. The operation will be completed successfully. These are the general steps to manage vehicle renewals details in software.